Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 7, A Tale of Three Intersecting Lines of Grade 7 Mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganit Prakash. And we are going to learn construction of triangles. Now we have learned different types of triangles with sides given, right? In this video, we are going to learn about construction of triangles when some sides are given and the included angle are given, right? So, two sides and the included angle. How do we construct a triangle if two sides and the angle included between them are given? Angle included means what? Here are some examples given. Just understand first with the diagram. Means if we take these two sides, then the angle will be this. It should be between the two sides. Included angle means that. If we are taking this side and we are constructing the other side, which is given 6, on the right side, then the angle marked will be here, not here. It should be between the two sides given, included angle. Similarly, here two sides are given. So this is the included angle, right? So that is the meaning of two sides and the included angle. So we can construct it in any angle at any place. Okay, so let us learn how to do that. So question number 1 is, construct a triangle ABC with 5 centimeter, AB as 5 centimeter, AC as 4 centimeter, and angle A as 45 degree, right? So we will construct. These are the steps given. So I'll just explain you the steps and then I'll show you how to construct. So we'll take one of the side. Always we take, most of the time we take the longest side as the base. So we take AB as the base, 5 centimeter. That we can construct with the help of a scale, okay, ruler and pencil. Then we mark point A and B. Then at point A, because here A is given as 45, we keep the protractor and mark point and measure 45 degree. Okay. Then mark point C on the other arm such that AC is 4. So you can use a compass, measure 4 centimeter with the help of a scale and mark an arc over here which is 4 centimeter. Once you get 4 centimeter, then you can join these two and you get the triangle. So these are the steps. Now I'll show you the actual construction. So now I'll show you the construction. For this we need a ruler, and a protractor. Also we need a compass. Where I have just kept a pencil ready, sharpened pencil, and it should be at the same level. Right, so first we make the baseline with the help of a scale. So baseline we take it as 5 centimeter, whichever is the greatest. This is point A, this is point B. Okay, now we take the protractor. Now this is very important part because there are two scales in the protractor. Now you see, this is the center should overlap point A. Now we are measuring this side, so we'll see the inner scale, right? And we want to show 45 degrees. So 45 is between 40 and 50. So you should mark a point over here and point and join these two. This point and point A. So this will be 45 degree. Right? Now AC is given as 4 centimeter. So with the help of the compass and the scale, we measure 4 centimeter. Keep this as a center, A as a center, and cut an arc at 4 centimeter. So this will be your point C. And now you can join BC. Right? So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Figure it out, which is given. We will solve this. Now there are 3 questions given. Construct triangles for the following measurement where the angle is included between the sides. So now I'll show you how to draw these triangles. Now we do the figure it out exercise. Question number 1A, which is 3 centimeter, 75 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So what do? We take the base as 7 centimeter and we draw a line. Okay, we can name it as, there are no names given, so you can give any name. This point as X, this point as Y. Now angle is 75 degree. So if you are drawing an angle this side, just see the inner scale, not the outer scale. Suppose you are drawing it here on this side. Then after overlapping, just see which scale you should see there. Here, outer scale you will see. But in this case, see the inner scale. Right? Right side means inner scale. Remember that way. So 75 degree will be between 70 and 80. So there is a little darker line over here. So you can mark a point there and just join these 2 points with the X. Now this is 3 centimeter. The other side is 3 centimeter. So that we measure with the help of a scale and a rule compass. We take the point X and we cut an arc here of 3 centimeter. Then we join, we can name this point as Z, and we join these 2 points Y and Z. So then we can write down that triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Now we do question number B, where the side length is 6 centimeter, 25 degree and 3 centimeters. So 2 sides and included angle. So now we will draw the baseline, that is, we'll take the greatest side 6 centimeter, right? And we name it as D. Right? Now this time I'll show you the angle on the right side. So you will understand the difference between inner scale and outer scale. Right? So I keep this base E as a, E should overlap on the center. Just match this baseline, black line with the line segment which we have. Now we want 25 degree. Now always see the line, wherever the line is going, it should start from 0. It cannot start from 180. Right? That way you can remember, and we need to draw 25 degree. So it will be between 20 and 30. So this is the point. We'll mark that point. And then we join this 2 points. E and the point we just marked. Right? Now the other side is 3 centimeter. So we measure 3 centimeter with the help of the scale and compass. This is 3 centimeter. So we take E as a center and cut an arc here. So and then join these 2 points. We can name this as F, this point as F. So we can join D and right. Therefore, triangle DEF is the required triangle. Okay, so this is question number B. Question number C, your 3 centimeter, 120 degree and 8 centimeter. So we take 8 centimeter as the baseline. Fine, we name it as AB. And now we need to draw 120 degree angle. So we'll take again this B as the center and overlap it with the center and the baseline, black baseline. Now you see this black line is going this side, so we'll see the outer scale 120 degree. So it is over here. Okay, right side means see the outer scale. And then join, name it as C, this point as C. And join BC. Fine. Now the third length is 3 centimeter. So we already measured 3 centimeter in the previous. So that's ready. I'm just now taking B as a center. We cut the arc with radius 3 centimeter and join these points. We can name this as D. So triangle ABD is the required triangle with 2 sides and the included angle. Now there is a question that we have seen that triangles do not exist for all set of side length. Right? We saw that in triangle inequality and we were able to check with the triangle inequality. Right? So there is a combination. Is there a combination of measurement in case of 2 sides and the included angle? Right? Where a triangle is not possible. So yes, there are possibilities there also. You see the measurements given over here in the previous exercise. 75, 25, 120. Right? You know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Right? So the angle cannot exceed 180 degree. It cannot be even 180. Angle cannot exceed 180 or neither equal to 180. Right? So it should be between 0 and 180, the angle which is given. So otherwise the triangle will not be possible because sum of the measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Right? So we will cover up the next part of this chapter in the next video. Thank you.